Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see your save list on Fiverr. Maybe, on the other day, you save your services on your save list on Fiverr, but you don't know where to look at it. So today, I am going to teach you on how to see your save list on your Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you will see these icons below. This home icon, email icon, search icon, list icon, and this profile icon. In this tutorial, you need to tap on this profile icon. And then in here, below your profile, you see this My Fiverr. And as you can see here, you get inspired and also the save list. So to see your save list, simply tap on this save list. And as you can see, here are the lists that you save. For example, you just save this video editing and you need to use it now, simply tap on it. And now, you can also tap on this again to see the offer. There you go. If you want to know how to see your save list on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on where you can see your save list on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.